Oh, hi. Hi, everybody. This is Vaz here. I'm actually going to do an unboxing of the oud perfumes that I introduced the last time. I'm going to unbox these two because it has been requested by people for me to do the unboxing. So, but if you need them, please do let me know and I will do that for you. Okay, so we're going to do the unboxing of these two oud perfumes from Lattafa. And which one should we go first? This or that, this or this or this? Okay, let's go with this. Take your knife, make sure that is well, put it in, safely, cut it out, and then take it out of the box. This is an original, so it has the reflective crest there. I don't know if you can see it. It has the QR code underneath it, the wooden kind of paste here. And let's get this unraveled. Okay, I think I shaked it a bit, so it's supposed to be inside like that. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Very clean, crystallized, like whiskey actually. No, like coffee kind of whiskey kind of look to it. Let's just have a little smell how it looks. That smells nice. It smells leathery, rich, vanilla. Yeah, this is the one that has the vanilla in it. Excuse my language. I'm tired. Cardamom. This is the cardamom Lattafa from Lattafa. So there you go. Hi. So yeah, that smells amazing. It smells rich though. Here we go. Okay, no, let me leave that here. Let me leave that right here. So let's get on with the second one, which is also the cardamom. So let's get this one done. Our knife. And there we go. Also looking similar to that, but this looks a bit more lighter. I don't know, but oh no, this actually looks darker. This one looks darker, this one looks lighter. I think this is the one with the coffee look, with a coffee smell in it. I don't know, let me see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is more leathery than this one. So yeah, this is more leathery than this one. So if you need a black one, please let me know. If you need this one too, let me know and I will hook it up for you. Yeah. The next one we're gonna open are these two, which are also from Lattafa. I've gotten the black one and then the gold one. So let's open the black one this time around. Safety knife all the time. Also has the reflective seal behind it, just to make sure that it's original. The QR code is here. Everything. This 100 ml. I think I can even smell this thing from here. Okay. I've heard about this. I have now seen it. This is 100 ml. Very beautiful. Let's have a smell. Put it in here. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. This is sweet. It's nice. It's masculine. Females can also use it, which I know a lot of females like to use male perfumes. But yeah, that's nice. I definitely use wood perfumes because a lot of people have seen me using it and they always ask me like, yo, Vas, can we know what you're using and all that? So here. So let's get this one unraveling. Always unwrapping it. It's always the whole. Okay. Okay, for the gold people. Out of the box. Very clean. Very nice. Let's have a little spray. See? Okay. Okay, now this smells a bit stronger and it's more masculine and more leathery to it. Yeah, this is more something if you're going out in the evening, you spray like 3 on you, you're good for the rest of the night. So yeah, these two are also a must get. So definitely, whichever one is your forte, just let me know and I will hook it up for you. So we are opening these ones. This is a beautiful container. Oh wow, I didn't know it comes from the side. This is nice. It looks like the Quran. A one. From Fakar. From Lattafa. So this is how it comes. Comes with the booklet. With all their collection types. This is how you know this is genuine. Looks like this is the one that we are unboxing. That's nice. This is beautiful as well. Navy blue. Let's have a smell. This is very fruity. This fruity, like tangerine. Very nice, pleasant summer perfume. Or like a summer oud. Very, very nice. And all these perfumes last for at least 24 hours or more. We are unboxing these two. This also has the reflective nature on it. Okay. Those that know this perfume will know what this one is. I've heard, I've inquired about it. I have it. Let's try and see. Oh, this is sweet. This is nice. It seems like it's for ladies, but the way it is, I'm sure the ladies will also appreciate it on men, because most of these oud perfumes on Lattafa are mostly unisex. Very nice. This has some jewelry on it. I was wondering what was shaking inside it. Okay. Let's try this one too. Okay. Okay, this is definitely for women. Yes, this is definitely for women. I mean, the bottle, the container, the whole design of it is definitely for women. This I have already unboxed, but I'm going to reopen it for the sake of the video. This is beautiful. I've already smelled it. It's beautiful. Really, really gentle. Summer evening vibe perfume, or oud, if I should say that. Very nice. And from Lattafa. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please do like and subscribe. Make sure that you do follow. Like the other videos that you watch on my program, on my channel. Follow my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, and all. If you're on TikTok right now watching this, please do be the channel to like. Thank you. And I smell so many and too many and so much and so many. I don't even know what word to use for it. I smell so beautiful. I wish I could eat myself up. I'm not even going anywhere, but yes, still, hey, I smell amazing. Get your perfumes and your colognes and stuff like that from me, By Designs, your jewelry and all. This Vaz, I'm out. Peace.